Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about why your dryer is making a rattling noise. Watch until the end of the video to learn more. Your dryer rattles because of a faulty drum roller or damaged blower fan. To fix these, replace the faulty drum roller. Unplug your dryer and remove the top and front panels. Disconnect the wiring harness and remove the drive belt. Slide out the drum and locate the roller assembly. Remove the drum roller, clean and lubricate the shaft, then insert the replacement part. Slide the drum into the cabinet and reinstall the drive belt. Reconnect the wiring harness and reinstall the front and top panels. Restore power to your dryer. Replace the blower fan. Unplug your dryer and move it from the wall. Remove the top and front panels. Remove the drive belt and drum to access the drive motor. Remove the mounting clamp securing the drive motor to access the blower fan. Remove the old blower fan and replace it with a new one. Reattach the mounting clamp and slide in the drum and drive belt. Secure the front and top panels and restore power to the dryer. And there you have it. That's why your dryer is making a rattling noise. Thanks for watching. Till next time.